They never see it coming. One day you're there, responding to every message, picking up every call, showing up for every plan, and then silence. You disappear. No warnings, no explanations, just gone. Why? Because silence is power. Because sometimes the best move isn't to argue, explain, or fight back, it's to vanish. You see, in a world where everyone is desperate to be heard, silence becomes the ultimate weapon. It confuses people, makes them second guess themselves, and most importantly, it puts you in control. And if you master this skill, you'll become untouchable. Let's talk about why silence is the most powerful thing you can ever use, and why cutting all contacts, completely disappearing, might be the smartest decision you'll ever make. First, understand this. People don't value what's easily accessible. The more you talk, the more people take you for granted. The more you explain yourself, the less they respect you. But when you go silent, that's when they start paying attention. Think about it. Ever been in an argument where you just stop responding? Watch how the other person spirals, gets frustrated, starts throwing desperate words into the void. Silence makes people uncomfortable. It forces them to reflect. And when you remove yourself from someone's life, you suddenly become a mystery. Something they can't control. The truth is, most people don't realize what they have until it's gone. You've heard it before. But here's the thing. They don't realize what they had because you were always there. Always responding, always explaining, always justifying. And when you stop, that's when they feel it. The absence, the loss, the confusion. Now let's talk about why cutting all contacts is so powerful. Most relationships in life are transactional, whether you like it or not. People keep you around because they get something from you. Attention, validation, entertainment, even just the comfort of knowing you're there. But the moment you remove yourself, you expose the truth. Who actually cares? Who actually values you? And who was just using you as background noise? By going silent, you force people to reveal their true colors. Who will come looking for you? Who will disappear just as quickly as you did? Who will respect your decision? And who will get angry because they lost control over you? Silence also works because it makes people uncomfortable. Humans hate uncertainty. We crave explanations. We want closure. And when you don't give it to them, they are left wondering if they did something wrong, wondering if they ever meant anything to you, wondering why you chose silence over them. And that's where the power lies. But let's be real. Cutting people off isn't easy. Society tells you that you should always be available, always be polite, always keep connections open. But let me ask you this. Has being always available ever made you truly happy, or has it just drained you? Most of the time, people who keep you around aren't doing it because they love you. They do it because you're useful. The friend who only calls when they need something. The co-worker who gossips about you behind your back but acts friendly in your face. The ex who won't let go but never actually respects you. The family member who constantly puts you down. The moment you stop giving them your energy, they're exposed. And that's why they'll try to pull you back in. Expect manipulation. Expect guilt tripping. Expect sudden kindness when they realize you're slipping away. But don't fall for it. Stay silent. Silence is discipline. Silence is self-respect. Silence is knowing that you don't owe anyone an explanation for choosing your peace. But let's take it a step further. Let's talk about the psychological impact of silence on other people. When someone cuts off communication, the brain sees it as a threat. It triggers the same part of the brain that processes physical pain. This is why people react so strongly to being ignored. It actually hurts. It makes them obsessed. It makes them want to chase. Think about how this plays out in relationships. The person who talks too much, explains too much, begs for attention, they are the ones who get ignored. But the one who pulls away, who stops responding, that's the one who suddenly becomes interesting. This is the law of scarcity. People want what they can't have. And when you make yourself unavailable, you become valuable. So if you ever feel like people are taking you for granted, stop talking, stop explaining, stop engaging, watch what happens. Now, I'm not saying you should ghost everyone for no reason. I'm saying you should be selective. Some people deserve explanations. Some people deserve closure. But most, they only deserve your silence. Because silence is the ultimate test. The ones who truly care will find a way to reach you, to understand, to respect your space. The ones who were never real, they'll disappear just as easily as you did. And that's the best outcome. So next time you feel drained, disrespected, or undervalued, remember this. You don't owe anyone your energy. You don't owe them your words. You don't owe them your presence. Cut all contacts. Stay silent and watch how the world shifts around you. If you like this, there's another video popping up on your screen that dives even deeper into this mindset. Watch it next. You won't regret it.